Divide 992 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 9 and it is 19. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 0. So 992 divided by 4 is 248. So this much for today and thanks for watching.